This 2026 Jayco J Feather 29 BHB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep's 10 LP detector, smoke detector, TV, skylight, awning, stovetop burner, refrigerator, microwave, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco J Feather 29 BHB is 6,820 pounds. This 2026 Jayco J Feather 29 BHB. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.